Well, we are Saba back. My main council 94.7 as Sempa Ekosiisen M'Ahiasem Anna Ugusua Uti na Oshe baby Abutubia. Ato Kwamena, staunch NDC member of the US of A. Waba Ghana. Welcome to Ghana. Ato Yamwakwa Basunko Krejiri say Yebishia at the appropriate time. God in your come on so and say no menu and Sanya by a main conversation. So what is a GPR chief for Kasane or Aisha Juan? Yes. So GPR chief for the GRTCC quickly enough Yanko Adamatis.
Yeah, I think say it needs to move with time. He said the sense of urgency in a say back. Se we so about tuma some of mo yen tent to motenase. Because the last time we moved to I think say July.
But I didn't starting say that Ghana for prepared. Ewo makoma mu ne o madwenem. Se said the nyoma si kono. Into mu ne de ebeden. Ebeba. Let's prepare.
But man, me gide say we Ghana ni. Let's say FM. Baby you dream. What dream you say e dey bit about to lorry frame mu a. Kumasi anke say na wo so obia.
Obia. So ho
wanwan. Menu ya wo ho wanwan. Because that na kwakoduru. It is what the say with me say Bebe busumi table no yebetum love fame to prepare na nuane a menu yetadi di ananka soche yente so
nti emere sent yes you adjust
kakra
because yentimi nya de ne still no
dabi o man na se me kokuma se be true so kwesi adadwo so me gina ho na me so ogumu papa
the bank cry
emu omre kakra wo ho tomatoes be told say yes e wo from mako you say or from me ba no do say mani ajomitrim it yes starting say ya bra kakra because man she anyhow you see it. When was the last time for the past 3 years area what here this large new large biaba ho when it become maker and for the first time in 3 years they say this so kakripa akrebetima ko maker na mpuse na ko e be 300. Yeah, first Mecca, omo Mecca, ni bebrebe.
Oti pampan no Ghana.
Yes. Na airport are you choked. Na penifo sika from ababeda ho. Me boy, this e basa. When was the last time it is entino omo ye a friend is a businessman. Oh man, 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 18, even early 19 krompono. Na a bit me China 5 times a year. 5 times China. 5 times a year, a bit Turkey 7 times. The whole year took 7 times Turkey. And the businessman will be open telephone lines into him. No boost a businessman will Ghana say, Omutu China na. Omutu Turkey na. If you say, it's yes, you're none. I put the baby annually. What I say, from Rentward and toward Diane can be a year, and abstract you be better young. It's yeah first but message ministry no so say ministry so mo na nyentia no mo fefe meeting no mo ni nkomo on pe ko metal projection
te o hwe de ekona
say the short trend na ekona the next 3 months say the betutum ti yantum na yem pegel for the next 3 months say the be ya nya da bia na be wantwi be ba say betum eti 3 months time that time no wantwi bia ni ho after 3 months near review ebiem na asan de sa na se be obi abeti na asomdwe say bosumi me say be lorry fare 1000 cedis hwe trotro boy di ho
trotro from Madina to Circle in Mwapija
esisa yes engeto a
in Sewam to Circle in Mwapija
Madina to Kaswa chese tise kuma se lorry fare
Madina odi ko Kaswa
emwamia yes emwamia even na ha kropo to Kaswa emwamia ba bia emwamia ntino omoye ni yese bia 3 months na nka ma peg ni 3 months no timi a regulate hu kakra me de sa na mesre
odu osafo se yemfri chinchin no so no na yemra onu ni leni apem manken
akwa poso na ayi na ahompo na ahoden wo no
o se yemra sa leni
me na ya
o kitchen so one ne de moda pepepe ana wache no me
no bi asusu obi ase da wo because ye nye pe obi yakopɔ bo obi anko
you the way biti
what be here day America because what is matter
yes
Ghana abstract
enti ye wie sa GPRTU, GRTTC, and the transport ministry.
As I want to say,
what in common? I shall lawyer need.
Lawyer in
Asempa FM retired.
Much radiating. What I say sharp. Meeting no. I was very impressed. But now me reps waho. Now me saying true. Oh man, I check. I brand to be because in be children must say today cast oboa. Na when the police ni police ni baba champion. Na police ni baba no na police ni esusu say ne baba the standard no was so chair brand here no. It no say one pena and pena hwe no so. To one day na brand no call police ni ifie. Okosa wo okosa ne mpena. Na police ni no divisional commander. Okofie ntem okwa na brand no ho. No man the boys ni chi no. So mo fa nko police station. Na mo fa wi. En se no. En ka se wi se no. Ni prosecute no. Oh. Na omode na ekọ no. At the bucket of the car nechi pick up. Na police for na catch a branch and say cratchy. Dear papa ne say yenye wuni. Na ye mpese be wo sa. Really ne kuta yin. Enti traffic no you do na traffic light ni eso si pa jampu ne dwane. Na ko dem mu yesere me fi ho bi. Na branch kwam okọ. So come this no ho am make say back with them. Unfortunately we free me krampo. Oh no 37. Dear adekwa make sa ne say eto de bi no anye careful unya aban asem a unya aban asem da wo ka se wi ase da ho kwa
se unya aban asem
da edipa bia wo so na wo bompa ya say unya aban asem da wo kai e friend say Asempa FM 2009 Nasty Masamo Boatin former information minister one na yire kama
curtains in common na
and be what do airport obu tu kwan na o map ese yi na security for akwa che no kikiri do omo do akosim ye do ba ni ko gira court onu mu charges no ye se wo no oba no wo bu na security for miensa wabu om ase we munya vrem charge no ase we munya vrem she me read from me boss the port tell me essential juma Abdul Malik Kweku baako me tene so an sorry asem be ye nchi wasem wo de ade between Facebook she do tro ye ni was C, that's Asha 1, was repatriated, not deported, by the effect of a notice of revocation of permit and repatriation.
That was the basis for the...
Yes, notice of revocation of permit and repatriation. You need to do two quotation marks. Me say, just a crata ne wo no. Say ya trust heading no. Notice of revocation of permit and repatriation. Dated 19th December 2018, which was authored and signed by the Comptroller General Kwame Eswetechi, Ghana Immigration Service for Boston. You find the Comptroller, and now Auditor General. And I said, friend saying Controller General and only a controller with the Comptroller. P-wom. Documentary evidence from Ethiopian Airlines indicate that she left Accra to Addis Ababa via flight number 920 at 11:35 on 19th December 2018.
Aisha Juan.
The same record, that's Ethiopian Airlines itinerary or manifest or reservation number, shows that she arrived at Addis Ababa same day, 19th December 2018 at 9 p.m. Her boarding pass dated 19th December 2018 read as follows. Class gate of 5 Krobokoye number 7, seat number of a C7, seat number 32F. Class economy. Destination Accra to Addis Ababa. Or there was say additional details per the itinerary. Aisha left Addis Ababa on flight number ET606 on 19 December 2018 at 11:45. She arrived in Guangzhou, China on Thursday 20 December 2018 at 2:20 p.m. after a non-stop flight from Addis Ababa. Any. So who sent Aisha away? Did she flee? Was he deported? Was he repatriated? In fact, put let me pretend I don't know the difference between repatriation and deportation. Meaning, but I buy it in the coin. Now, meet lawyer, and for that no, or confirm me suspicion be. My suspicion is that call more than a coin no. Now, my any legal backing be or my fan crater be answered down to so kesi we but omuni di go catch as a mammy. Assembly yem pese be to asubi na mum firi krom adeko which for me kanya bone yem pese be to assembly so ba firi krom adeko na obi anya na sumdwie ena oma no ekoe ene wasan ababak bas wasan babaka. Don't pretend you have no idea. Don't pretend the state is unaware. And even put it on her charge sheet to say was sneaking out and was sneaking at a panel years na and or the one watching or the one watching. Mama, don't embarrass the state like this.
Me and pretending because you need
because we know some people in officialdom and yes, I can say they should call lawyer strategy GIS boss. Say who calls him to write that notice of revocation of the repatriation. Who calls him to write that? He's also a lawyer. When I can tell because immigration need you do best work out a million for home. But yes, Musa say a dear attorney general that time. Mema me Gloria Kufu. What discontinue case no? No le prosecute. Eyemra umtimi ye sa. But when you say because of certain understanding, say ye nyano, ye I said ye need for musuko, and your bonnet. And the former president, Mama, was say would deport to Nipa bear 5,000, which and the chronicles say true dear. But also deport, but also Muna, also deport about bear 1,000 or so. Say 100 do a 200 Timmy said deportation. For the records, a course. And it me says state will stand to even benefit of because when I will high it is a call baby a caught near Hontoye near tell you crew. It may there have many say state official be and a year facilitated our process winning now as someone bad the state cannot pretend so anymore she says state anymore she dear and we are living dangerously. I
state representing wine.
Now, shall we show national security criteria also? My was said national security case also, baby sir, which means the stakes are high and higher. Ye, forget about the president. In fact, president, you may have a full appreciation of why the president said what he said. But what's added to the Akosu call to you now, man?
Why do we do this to ourselves?
Because Galamsey is fighting the state.
Okay, so charge it now.
Charge it to the so. It is one. No, what's it saying?
Really?
Charge it no.
National security case. Also.
Yeah. National security case. And so national security case it means to say everything be akosubia because look, national security minister and a national security coordinator as well information na sabeka CCA and now some feeding with the right information and correct one.
Assembly said, why do we do this to ourselves?
And I may say Galamsey is fighting the state.
Galamsey.
Not the state fighting Galamsey. Galamsey is fighting the state. Now you show ya obe criminal form. abu e fe na matwa fa so ko ni baby won fa ho yen so nyina na ye brown brown no na say afa be ya ateche we pia boss na be ya abo na afa na ye futuro na nsu asan wiase asan Ghana oman me say the year 2018 kwale ko busa Ghana Water Company kwale ko busa friend say coalition of the media the no say na media coalition bi early 2018 successes are the fight against galamsey a choking you know you have no idea that time like better mark aban no e be 7/10 say wo di nkunim so what happened yeah all of a sudden galamsey asa sorry ya a sinking nation no unim it is because of politicians
when they are M'Ahiasem
the kuta power and don't forget Ghana politician or opposition no only position
we're still powerful.
Or still powerful because NDC for more opposition then no and still they are friends in government. It's a bit much in nipa.
A phone call would do.
And obisu MPP ni wa ban mu also a chini nipa the phone call na would a better tell us no.
How are we developing this country to move forward?
Patriotism is lost. Nationalism as a page bi so na yatie free Ghana dictionary no.
As a page bi too free.
And yet true. It's lost on us. That's the stark truth. To the extent say wow, obe wa do say person you patriotic enough to fight this you may be consumed.
Mama can tell you more.
Yo.
Ghana Airports Company, dated on the 8th of September 2022, Aviation Security Department, Ghana Airports Company Limited, Kumasi Airport, Unipandin de Mediajinaho. DSA, interdiction. Management received a report on the 8th of September 2022 of indiscretion in the discharge of your duties as an aviation security officer. According to the report, you were assigned to perform airside patrol duties at the Kumasi Airport on the 8th of September 2022, and you saw the Minister of National Security emerging from the VVIP launch to board Africa World flight at 14:30 hours. It is reported that you approached the Honorable Minister and demanded to conduct pre-boarding search on him in the open frontage of the VVIP lounge, which ended up embarrassing the Honorable Minister. In view of the negative impression it cast on the company's image and integrity, management has decided to thoroughly investigate the circumstances leading to this incident. In line with Article 17E of the Collective Agreement, we notify you of your interdiction from Friday, September 9, 2022, pending the completion of investigation into the matter. We advise that you shall be paid 2/3 of your salary during the period of interdiction. Yours faithfully, it's signed, Aristego Group Executive, Human Capital and Office Services, and is copied to all relevant bodies. Ewa hanumsi.
Meba ho sisi ya. One video na eye carry video do. Eye 2020 elections. Yo man panyin da John Dramani Mahama. Kasa kire Ghana fo. Akwa campaign grounds. And wo kasa say. Wo mo a omo ye galamsey a Ghana aban achi wo mo prosecute wo mo ajeli wo mo. Obeye president a obeyi wo mo. Be mo bia amnesty because wo prison nyina no obi a sakra ya wo mo awofoforo e di say the sofo nyina be po urafi.
Really?
Oh. Asempa FM. O metima bowa. Wasi obi a wa galamsey illegal mining ya o mine na che no. O mine na che no. Ajeli nam wo adifo no. Obey president biemu a. Oman obem obia amnesty because omo the prison nyina obia nu ho ana meboa omo say ampa. Meanwhile, former President Mahama no ye president. Na ta wono so te tax force to the extent say hands-on mining to be mudie almost excavators bebree because almost me gidi say na motive the team say na ha adwen it o person otu galamsey so sa no otu ase anye ye it is obi so ba na so person otu so sa support name ba o kase it indeed o mapanyin dada mahama obey president biemu a obetima ka so obi galamsey bia o mana ko free na o ko free person tima che obi biemu na. That is where we have failed. That is where the challenge is. Any child's play, na ba ebe consume ye nyina. Galamsey asem, me say, afekwa de me ehimfo kwa we should forget about ehimfo asem. Your politicians no kwa because hwe kroma ehimfo asem bo mo power esoso. E wo Ghana. Ye ka mo fingertips o. Ehimfo Ghana omo Ghana omo e power so e chain politicians power e your fingertips what mean to me entro me nsa politicians look obi ye DCE no one head of dicecle ne tumi so obi ye MP akore bia enre ya we secondary school Always secondary school we enrich yao. Wakoye cause kakra bi. Wabebe mo member parliament. Afi waswa ne men. Ehweche obi a constituency ho. What the sort of one nam. What the hoodlums ne nam. Eno mu bu forest gu. Wahene ne kwa kan enyeyi. Mese minim wahene a. Oman wahene a ono se obi aba ni krom se obe prospecting. Ora skachi. Fabra for krata nyina bra na mehwe papa ka che wahene se weda na mese wani ma anya ha na meje permit me nyina free krata bebo mama ne keke an wahene se wompene wahene no ehema kromo hema eko mobilize boys emo be demonstration tia wahene no I have no evidence wahene na ne ka kire me wahema no eko organize because wo free krata ba no wo buka do de ba yo wa muniska tuobi ampo kakra bi ska warning shoot or the show pay no say me da hodada man we are living dangerously
because money is becoming the order of the day for majority of us people.
Now when money becomes the order of the day, morality goes to the dogs, right? And nationalism, patriotism, if you lose your conscience, I feel that I want to is about money. I want my message me kwa ye on papa krum. Na de chesa ti da me free on timti. We keep me say dem me kugina mu bi. Se be ya mbo se me baby na ko be me free man papa. O man ahumachi be 1:30 am. Na enkwara omadi 16 17 omo free bush aba.
Omo ko galamsey. Omo free bush aba beto ense ya ewo rubber umbi total pack.
Oh my vibia 16 years 17 years. Oh my vibia be ebo be 230 ana what at say bukom square ayentokwa asem kuntokwa basa baby aye galamsey bia kwahwe crime rate wo kwahwe abortion rate wo hodomo kwahwe school dropouts e kodomo kwahwe nipa mu kwafuom obi enkwafo mu biem mese first no o man ye fa bi no boa boys etimi gada nipa bensia obi ehefo na enije na ahomeka ende yakodo weafu adechita yakodo weafu ene yankwa wayenku yenkrase no krobe na no boa oda so koso biem eno bombe no mo wakọ ye galamsey ene abrewa kwafuo mu a na osuro abrewa wo kwafuo mu na osuro ba first no ye na nanom 70 years kwa no akona fuom akwadwedwera na otuni manke ba kuno da bafi ene ontimi nko na wo kọ no ye dwira sase no wo ye no wote ahwe wanye careful ko sa brante bi wanonum na ma bi a wasa kwa ende obeye no we are living dangerously media until politicians especially MPP and DC they will admit the fact to say they are the cause.
Until young citizens no be admit to say we've been a bit foolish for a long time. We've been
played, right?
Until that admission, I feel say moving forward as Omano yebenya challenge because yena ye oman for no we fall for a lot of foolishness and that continues to be the challenge because okoken ye part of the world no krakana akoye nyoma be 10
o man Mr. Yes do so niwa no nimu ye nua panyin ye bra ye papa Jarvis Pepra
yes
no buza se kwa be because am
kotoko
pharmacy you
so free me krum
and I won ko srafo kwan entokwa ma no and the command
na chira kwan wa ka ama mejiri se contractor ni so because that contractor was and a contractor say me contractor ma so dia and there's a mwakota na wono
so was it to move the country forward the Shroud to Tsunami road must be fixed. What I say o man eti mesre ehemfo no it will be to be blame one.
But don't take us out. We have a certain responsibility.
Yeah, media and as citizens.
On my move for no. We have a certain responsibility. Yeah, role be as say yensu ye play.
Yes.
Say upia ye sin chain. Na odi asudie nyina kogu wona ya manyosem. Kuma bisa no. Na edi asudie ni kogu nananom ko aso a.
Yes.
Wan hwe ya bribia da no yen on my move for no. Ya chefa ene ya sudie no. We run away from that responsibility.
But this time we busa say timamufo ro no me play ni de he
watchdog number 1
oh yeah obey dai
on for wasase ebusua asase emma obisa na de afem
don't forget to say when it comes to minerals the asase nya wo de abi
ba me tiase say ba me tiase ebusua asase ho ejapade wo so
yes
it is ebusua asase na ejapade wo so no men koton ne kana sichi emfa nko sa ambre ko wanam kwa papa so na kuri se adwuma your community man na introduce you what that means is that you regulate the front of a illegal mining the best of mining but yen omanemu fo no bribia da no yen essence ye pe cutting of corners ye pe short cutting no bribia dan illegality becomes a normality.
Yes,
very normal.
They're not very lucrative. Now I lucrative, but the thing is that show na you see a toda dano. You told the near nananom. No me galamseu. No me mining. No mutuam na enu dem ha. I'm not going to be a new dem ha. Ketu ebi. Ya bonse weti the light pole be a 9 asisim. Ato aso. Ketu ebo mun nsɛn saase mun nsɛn nsuo. No mo ye. Babu sa wo say me say be me ofa na on hotel so you and I say we wisa ana bogu no. Obeje ska to excavator. First excavator kwa ba na nkofo epu behwe. Ka mu muntu na betwa mu no. And now bit village. What village? Why camping? What to excavators 5 at a go? Na esa so bad say convoy. Because or battle of the politician. So politicians never draw. Timofos Bible draw. Until they withdrew, no.
So manu for no eti omo asese Ghana ye omo japade na omo antutu ni omo ajeje mu a politician be suro se obetu anamo a eni omo mu for adwene pon ebo ebra
da be yanu ye whereby ya adene start ya and Timofo timi rise up against it. Baby akodru no difficult
until the politician decides say
so afomunya biem. Now they'll go all out. MPP need and NDC na say ya sinipa krono regardless.
Then the
yes I say pa na masa obetie so nu wonum nkawe.
Then the bigger responsibility is on us as media.
Why not? Me say obetie so nu wonum nkawe o. Eti wo police ni akosuro. But enai ono ya chimu a our big brother bi wo baabi wo krom ho no ma wa frɛ ogu okuma se na ya ja no wo ko de
ya chimi.
Yes. Braya chimi o. Braya chimi. Hadwin but edru bebele say politician wo yekrom ha yi eno no kwa ya chi no. Bra we ne won kopo ya chi no dia ene me so me po de me fence nchira se no mayirem. Etimi so mejai. Omo starting yesa na ye hu seriousness ni ye because anya sa man ba bia kono me de e ha me. I don't know read here no say.
Security man ako we can ako search
national security
Asempa FM.
Yeah, for me ma dream we want to say security man no it seems we nim national security minister Eti one fit so be occupy space no. Me say me make no because what pie akogina bonte. What say the make say what tata no. Brother no man say chew.
Oye na juma.
Oh, enya juma ye no. Enya juma eye no eno no. Wonim nipa kro wa ya. Wonim say national security minister konkwe do koye ye no. Menka say obi buru mra so. But me suspect say do koye ho ne koso stay. Ebia no wonim no. Na wonim ni say we security person e wo airport. Na say wonim national security minister there. Then you do I mean you don't qualify to be a security person over there. How? Ebia omubu decision no a bit far fetched there, but the same ABS that Professor Ameya Kunfi now a education minister. So oko baby teacher for bi ne ko do assess some ko to da me. No mumu so one. Oh, it's but yes much ado about nothing.
Well,
I recalling the class once I'm
5 minutes to the top of the hour. My man say aha Ekosiisen on Asempa 94.7 just in my main king kansa kratawe dear sir madam, demand for retraction, apology and cessation of defamatory publications and innuendos concerning one Shanghong. Hey, almost one more I say who took a chance in 24 edin we tell o man in the madam. Because two chances I mean on my bebem we are writing to you as the lawyers of one Shanghong and Liu Hang, our clients. Our clients, particularly one Shanghong, has referred to us 2 publications about her which your newspaper has published on 8 September 2022 page 6 and on 12 September 2022 page 6. Our client is of the view which we strongly share that these publications are very malicious, defamatory and calculated to soil the name and reputation of our client. We have noticed that you, the editor, and your newspaper commence your libel against our clients on both occasions by splashing her photograph on your front cover page side by side with a photograph of Aisha Huan, another Chinese lady who is very much in the news lately as an alleged Galamsey queenpin and illegal immigrant. Having cemented these innuendos in the minds of your readers and the general public that our client is of the same character as Aisha Huan, you then proceeded on both occasions to accuse our client falsely in both write-ups as a thief who has stolen another person's company and properties and as a brigand who has taken over another person's company forcibly and unlawfully using unlawful contracts with political powers. There is no doubt that you made all these publications knowing fully well that there is no iota of truth in your allegations. This is due to the fact that you are very much aware that lawyer Freddie Blay, who is closely connected with your newspaper, has acted as the lawyer of the company in dispute, Big Stone Mining Limited. Where our client was and still is a director and the company secretary. Also, Mr. Freddie Blay's law firm, Blay and Associates, is even now the law firm representing the other Chinese and persons who are in court with our client and her Chinese business associate over the ownership of the shares of the said company and the attempt by these clients of Blay and Associates to take over the said company using forged signatures, forged documents, and a false statutory declaration. Indeed, Mr. Freddie Blay would have informed you if cared for the truth that our client had even contacted him and he had promised to resolve the matter amicably, and our client only went to court when Mr. Blay failed to do so. Secondly, the dispute over this company is a matter in which our client, her Chinese, have taken to court, and the case is still pending before the Commercial Division of the High Court, Accra. Both parties have filed copious documents and information in court, which would have provided you with the facts of the case if you were interested in the truth and maintenance of fair and proper journalistic practices. Instead of focusing on libeling our client, the fact that our client's opponents have access to your newspaper through lawyer Freddie Blay and his law firm should not motivate you and your newspaper to dump proper journalistic standards of fairness, truth, and justice by seeking to a public lynching of our clients. Since you and your newspaper are not ready to undertake the labor of seeking the truth before rushing into publication, our client has instructed us to draw your attention to the following facts. These publications relate to gold tailings processing site plant at Bogoso, which is owned and operated by Big Stone Mining Limited, a company registered in Ghana. We also believe that you know from public records that at the Registrar General's Department, now Registrar of Company, that Big Stone Mining Limited has only 3 directors, including our client, who is also the company secretary. This is reflected in the original documents of incorporation at the Registrar General's Department. This company was formed and registered by 2 Chinese gentlemen, Liu Yang, who is also our client, and Jian Dong Song. These 2 gentlemen own 50% each of the shares of the company, and both are the founding directors of the company. Our client, Wang Shahon, was later on appointed as the company secretary, in addition to being one of the founding directors of the company. We know this publication has arisen from the case of Wang Shahon and One or versus Big Stone Mining Limited and 6 others in suit number CM/MISC/0367/22, which our client initiated against some persons who have at all material times been represented by Blay and Associates. In this case, the court granted an order of interlocutory injunction against the opponents of our clients. We also like to repeat, as stated above, that even before the commencement of the suit, our client approached lawyer Freddie Blay, whose law firm was the lawyer for the company and had acted for both the company and our client in the past, to brief him about the facts which had led to the court action, and Mr. Freddie Blay promised to use his good office to resolve the problem. It was when lawyer Blay failed to do so that our client had no choice but to go to court for some of the following reliefs. Their opponents had forged their signature onto documents to the effect that our clients, including Liu Yang, had resigned from their positions as directors and company secretary of the company. In addition, another forged document was to the effect that our client, Liu Yang, had transferred his 50% shares to Jiang Dong Song, who is being represented by Blay and Associates. Finally, another fake statutory declaration was used to appoint Wan Yi Liu as a director and company secretary. All these changes were found by the High Court in its 15th July 2022 decision to have been based on forged documents and forged signatures. The forged documents and forged signatures had earlier been presented to the Registrar General's Department by opponents of our clients, which enabled the names of our clients to be removed as directors, shareholder, and company secretary of Big Stone Mining Limited. These forged documents and signatures also enabled our clients' opponents to appropriate the 50% share of Liu Yang in the company without his knowledge or consent, and further Yi Liu as a director of the company without any valid resolution of the company. As we have stated above, all these facts are contained in documents filed on behalf of our clients in the suit which is still pending at the Commercial Division of the High Court, Accra. If you had bothered to contact our clients as part of proper journalistic standards and cross-check your facts from Blay and Associates, who are representing for the other side, you would have become fully aware and not rush to print the various falsehoods about our client. In your blind defense of our client's opponents, you have glossed over the fact that our client were put in charge of the Bogoso processing plant lawfully, per a court order dated 15 July 2022, issued by the High Court Commercial Division. This order of interlocutory injunction was granted by the court to restore the parties to the status quo pending the final determination of the case. A copy of the said injunction order showing the reliefs granted by the court is attached. Our client obtained another court order for the police to assist them in serving and executing this interlocutory injunction order on the company's represented by Blay and Associates, who are taking over
Asempa FM.
the gold processing plant unlawfully using fake documents. The court, in granting the order for the police protection, was well aware of the violence that was unleashed on officials of the court when they had attempted to serve a previous order of the court, interim injunction order, on those operating the plant unlawfully. Instead of publishing the true facts of the case, you have chosen to deliberately twist the truth for reasons best known to yourself and make false allegations against our clients in order to force the police to withdraw the protection it had afforded our clients based on the court order, with the sole purpose of enabling Blay's client, whom the court had expressly forbidden from operating the plant, to return to the plant to carry on with their illegal activities. We also repeat our position that the innuendos contained in our two publications, whereby the photograph of our client Wan Shanghong was splashed at the front page of our newspaper together with the photograph of Aisha Huan, who is alleged to be notorious Galamsey Queenpin, an illegal immigrant to Ghana, who is very much in the news, has not been lost on us and on right-thinking members of the community. Your newspaper knows very well that our clients are not criminals, but Chinese investors who found these business opportunities and brought their Chinese colleagues to partner with them to form Big Stone Mining Limited to exploit the business opportunities In the circumstances, your attempt to tarnish the image of our client and accuse them of being criminals is totally unacceptable. Secondly, your publication is just a media war to divert attention of the public from the fact that the clients represented by Blay and Associates have admitted in papers filed before the court that they were the ones who forged the signatures of our clients and the documents that were used to remove them from Big Stone Mining Limited unlawfully. We must also warn you that your publications are prejudicial and calculated to interfere in the court case between our clients and their opponents, which is still pending before the High Court Commercial Division, Commercial Division, Accra. In the circumstances, we have been instructed by our clients to demand, and we do demand the following. 1, that you cease immediately and forthwith these false publications about our clients, that you publish an unreserved apology to our client in respect of your two publications, that you retract wholly these publications you have made about our clients, particularly Wan Shanghong, that you apologize for the innuendos contained in your deliberate publication of Wan Shanghong on the front pages of your newspaper on 2 occasions in the way and manner complained above. Please take further notice that if these publications do not cease forthwith and the apology and retraction is not received within 3 days from the date hereof, our clients shall proceed to court against you to seek redress and very punitive damages against you, the editor personally, and your newspaper. Be accordingly advised. And yours sincerely, Samson Obin Escar. So it's a copy to the client, National Media Commission, the Print and Electronic Press, the Chinese Embassy, and Commercial Counselor's Office. So that's to Daily Guide. Daily Guide. Yes,
it's rejoin down. Oh man, what bro? Rejoin down. Then no more stories. What can I come back say?
Dominic is here.
Rejoin down.
Oh, for attaching me, me wear you. And now I'm met me.
By the one say. Say one day.
We move you make it come. Shang Huang was yeah. But on a more serious note, the job that we do here as journalists, as broadcasters, it's very dangerous if we pay what they've written, if that is the issue.
Yeah.
Quite dangerous.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course.
If we told this, we become endangered species as well.
But I said the William Daily Guide, the most widely circulated private newspaper in Ghana, with graphic if you want. And they know what to do. Say indeed or more as some more try, and your mamma the lawyers are true carta that bro. Say we rejoin that. and media for also the minister I no obi the rejoinder bad. Everybody has right to rejoinder. Into business on publishers are not henceforth no what they have to do. I'm sure they know how to go about it. Just that me no sa big stone and sensible no. Oman empenfo antisim no more settle asem.
I think that company for it should be the attorney general.
Attorney general antisim one tisim ye. One kasa should take hold of nema bi. No one tisim na asa no one settle before asem no e be consume mu nyina. Enipa miensa no we fase nipa mienu o ma kwatable company 50% shareholders and na baako eye secretary director oba no mienu atu kwan baako waka Ghana and no afa kuntu na ase akwose signatures a change shareholding structure of the company yeah when you say bosimu ka eye core document me wo ruling no me wo bi
you have it.
Yeah, I have it. Me wo ruling, I have read the ruling. Yo maja to me say omu use electronic means and generate signatures no. Eti me no ka say mami ya won wa chore join the ID. Onu na court na bua manu. So aden of afed all of a sudden was about be a victim. Adentra. Aden all of a sudden about be a victim because genuinely we any business. Genuinely we any business or that so a director secretary of the company. Omo mka so mababe take isa over no. Omo use dubious means. And the court no ruling in their favor. And then I still they find difficult.
You have documents to that effect.
Omo ade.
What documents to that effect?
I have me were ruling no. Me no say beba say we be back me be back. I have ruling no. Me were ruling no more documentation. Any people bobo mudi me because e be on go part they are on the wanted list of Ghana police. Yes. They are on the wanted list. Me kuta police report e wo case be ho. Yo ba body pe bidin ba kon wo be no ka say ba kon obogoso na de me yare we mwanwane say nipa no oda so obogoso o ya nipa nimu no anu eche nipa hu no enso sister oda so you wanted it was wanted that one mo hwe na mbom na che no etimi the message age si watu kwa waba wakoho wakokasa kama what is asem we what is asem we mo na wo hwe no one settle because court na nka say shares in obedient court they say it should revert to the original shareholding structure. Which means omom ko forge kwa na so that so 50% shares no mo settle o man me sorry so no I've taken the partner will read this statement back on say okwose chi national security minister yeah national security minister ko bono mo dikwa so mo abraje mu nyai no me no ka say managing director of airport wa ye o ma receive decision no na papa ne kasa no wa ye woni 4th state for interview ti wana me read free was okwatena waiting room for 40 minutes, at least 40 minutes. Officer na message no. Was so we na won board flight no. E hono so Papa bra me message o. Eti ho mane ko ye bibi kakra ho no. Eti be mo so be training kwofo a mo ko refresher courses bi what I say na o mu how to go about this. Ato bi so a hwe minister say assembly see here no. Officer from airport management eba ho ba apologize to him.
Yeah.
I was we put a nyase na ma even forgotten about it. Next ma kwa yi need akọ suspended. E tro bi aya na overreaction bit me base enya mane so mpanifo. Mediazie. En Matiazie.
Echna Jibre na bono regional minister.
Echna be no we ba no.
Echna meet the press.
Okay.
Na eye chira kwan. Central for Yebusa.
Yes.
What is the challenge in Tia? Very hard working woman, Auntie Justina.
Okay.
And I'm a catcher also say BB fa bono any bono.
I don't chance me for tracking no.
Yes, for traction.
For
traction. Don't say we combine all the force in terms of Adriani.
Yes.
Or the tomatoes free a droba. And or the body free gosu.
Okay.
And or the brew a free sunyani. And or the go ni truck into the back.
Na say be no first we say now be united omo ba say person be body akese
and okay becho
say
okay becho I say no koto ye free tiobodom ye capital town
but yes no never be say wo Ghana look first no yetimi din komo e di bebe we free serew e kase but nei and say be nepa ni be ba no okay bi ko park you be more tolerant
say ni na amanyo sem na tete
ejimi
amanyo sem
me di ejimi o me
amanyo sem na tete entem
the mama is at the end. Among amateur, yes, ye gana for.
But you see, near Abusia.
But you see, near, share me. Madame for Bako, Nash, or Tamale. Make them their sorry. Oh, but why, Nigeria, 6 years ago. Me fa flight fra Accra. Eko Tamale, ya wa de numere.
Asempa FM.
I didn't start ye. Metra ho ye wa de fie da memne da kusi be badwo da. Na kwasi da no mo ye refreshment e wo Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium. Omo wo conference center bi ho no mo. Oman almost say friends of the bride ye po ba kwa mo abeka of the groom of the couple. Ye po ba kwa mo abeka se me ho ase ya bo midin. Se me na mra me kasa. Hey, to me kwa me je microphone. Na me chia wo bia. Ara me se fa me God na sa bedi ako. Minim obi o da gombe ni e fa no God na sa bedi ako. Me asantini. Me nka hausa. Me nka da go bafo kasa. Me Kristo ni. Me ye kramoni. E krabofo word na se na maba wo. Da gomba fo mienu aware ase na maba wo na asantini maba. Ene mo se de omo na wofo nyina o masa akomutabum mu se me ena mra me kasa. Me ba ya wada nyame adoma ekina adwo na meko e kire yesen
nipa baako
ye nuafo eti me bom wabaso se matimi ayesa na ye mane ntoaso and all of a sudden small jokes ye kan ye de sere ye ho no okwa se pa ne ye di watem na ye ntokwa yes we look down upon obi tribe. How can you look down upon somebody's tribe? You could have been born within that that area. Me say Opama Queen Elizabeth I won't can no come better new town na ko wo new town wa e ka princess and the one baby king Charles e quarter house santa because abeboa eti the fact say you betima wo baby a wo ko free baby a eti e besre you have no right to look down upon somebody's tribe. And a baby who free no patrol to the beer and you must say it to the beer and go forward inferiority complex.
So Momentum Sam from December 30th and December 31st 2022 and 1st January 2023 I have homecoming 3 days I have homecoming between Safro under the able leadership of George Boachi, regional minister.
I go food the body by pizza medi.
In fact, Nana Basua, Council of State Rep, no. Obechia Krantia was the only who are Krantia Chida.
Yachid saying,
Yachia Krantia won't be that.
Yeah, and watch ya.
Yes, won't be that.
Okay, now Krantia chips. Mamma goes and Macassa, my egg.
God has I be there.
But once again, Mitellan, your friend KB.
Yeah, KB.
And his son with it.
Yes, KB. That I say, partner. It's one into my cry of Frano.
May say, what? Madam Smith first do better more. You're careful,
Yanshan to Massa. Madam, me said, there be unim. And the Memo Obia Mwatan and Nasi, Kwame Dinkra.
Legend.
Memwatan and Nasi. Na a band to my ono timichire me say what your article be.
Okay.
Article what your ba ko fa ba fo akoto a Greek minister papa.
Okay. Yes.
Ana ba kon so fa Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
COVID time. Entade o hye nyina no.
Okay.
E won chiremu. Oko bie trade hospital no. Ade o hye e won chiremu. Na no okwa ye bi ase. Ntoma tade o hye no. And I know court thread now could be and Ajada 111. Or Hinia will see you too for a night. I mean, you crop with him. And I chna koja so you hini. Ono will see you too for an yes. Who from the chromas will be crew. Will be on the account. Who for you? Now from me, who will be home and feel hollow. Who for you? I. And I'm so from last night to Obi on my home pa. No Obi hold the account. It's about Obi or some how far was yaso. It's about on Obi Hokwa den. Who for you? Hey, Munina Kasana Mokabi. Messi. Who for you? It be Obi kwa omu kwa Mosiaso a. Yes. Omu dure so no be si hobo. Na on ba dey so you. Obi. Only had now money you say yo. Obi krom. No, what's a clubhouse now day? Clubhouse say baby a quarter near to 2 biane. And number 4 ni say baby as. O ma be. Woman hene,